make your truck do shit like this? So you want to make your truck a little quicker on a budget? Well, I'm going to show you a few things I did to this bad mamma jamma to get her in the 15s. So this is my 2000 GMC Sierra 2500 with 267,000 miles. And it's got the original LQ4, 4L80E, 9.5 inch 14 bolt with 4 10s from the factory. Not a bad combo to start out with. Now, the biggest thing that I did that really woke this truck up was I got me a pair of 706 cylinder heads. Now ULS guys are gonna know what that means. The stock cylinder heads that came on this truck were like cast iron 72cc heads, which gave this truck a 9.4 to 1 static compression ratio from the factory. These heads, although they may not flow as well, we're jumping from a 72cc chamber to a 61.5cc chamber, bumping the static compression ratio up to 10.4 to 1. Now, anytime you make a jump like that, you got to get yourself one of these. So this is the Diablo i3 Sport Tuner. You can pick these bad boys up on Amazon for roughly $400. But what this allows you to do is make some adjustments. So between the heads, the cold air intake, and the Diablo Sport Tuner, in 2024, I was able to get this truck to run a 15.3 in the quarter mile at 89.5 mile an hour, which is not breaking any speed records by a long shot. But considering that this is a 4,950 pound truck with driver, I say it's not bad for under $1,000. So in May of last year, I installed a Yukon posi traction unit in this truck. Now what you have to keep in mind, folks, when I ran that quarter mile time, it was on old bald ass 10-ply tires and an open diff. So I could not power brake this truck or anything out of the hole without lighting the tires up like a son bitch. So between that and the long tube headers, I am really hoping I can get this truck into the 14s, as well as I bought a set of 275P tires for this bad boy instead of these heavy ass 10-plies. And I'll show you those and put a picture on the screen. After all them shenanigans, she got a little thirsty. So we're gonna throw a little Mobile 1 bag in her. Some for me, some for her. As I make a goddamn mess. Mmm, delicious. Mobile 1. I hate myself. I'm a fucking